Welcome. If you wanna use split screen on your Motorola Moto Z, for the first you have to click here, and right now we have to click, hold and drag the application that we are going to use. So I will go for the settings, and as you can see now we can pick the other application. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and right now we can work on the two applications at the same time, and we can also adjust the size of the application with this marker. Let me show you. Oh, sorry, you cannot just adjust it, you can just only close it with swiping up or just down. So yeah, this is how it looks, the split screen option in Motorola Moto Z. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.